video. Pikminjake is not much fun.
Have you met my girlfriend? My girlfriend's dead. I killed her. No!
Billy! Twins! We should fight Bowser!
Okay. He's on top.
That's what Santa wants.
Hello everyone, I'm Kirby Bulborb. I'm here to say watch it. As it turned out, Steve was pregnant.
Twig, do you remember the incident involving Steve 4 years ago?
Of course.
He freed himself in the world of Chuggaaconroy and attempted attacking Easterland again. He was caught by the police and was locked up in prison, where he remains to this day.
So?
The leader of the terrorist organization claims to be Steve himself. There can't be two of him, so most likely the leader is impersonating him.
What am I up against?
A group of terrorists called the Guns of Steve and Nintendo Crappy Son, a private military company with roots stem from the world of Chuggaaconroy. It's a highly trained group, and they have the Royal Family Cupcake Factory under their complete control.
What are their demands?
For $30 billion in cash and the release of Steve from prison.
$30 billion? How did they expect to get that much?
There was a government-sponsored tour going on at the time that the terrorists gained control of the facility.
Hostages, huh? What are my objectives?
Infiltrate the RFCF, safeguard the hostages, and eliminate the enemy threat.
Got it. Commencing Operation Manhattan. This all started yesterday. Flashback. Say like AN stuff at the end of sentence.
Again, yeah.
Okay. What's wrong there, Bulborb?
It's about time, eh? I am terrible at this.
It's about time, eh?
It's about time, eh? You have to go and find the real Steve. He's kind of like your father, eh? Go to Easterland. It's upstairs, eh?
Hey, in accent ever 0 to 10. Oh.
Random. These are the citizens.
Go. Nah, it's the wife, man. She's so grabby. I don't know how else to describe it. Hey, what's going on over there? Oh man, what the heck are you doing? Stop that!
I'm breaking his legs.
Don't break his legs. Okay, you're coming downtown, mister. Alright, kid. What gives you the idea you can just come into town and break people's legs? Do you even have a passport?
No.
Why are you here?
I wanted to see Easter Island.
Where are you from?
Trooper Village. He's from Trooper Village, right? Okay.
Trooper Village. That's very interesting. What's your name?
Twig.
It's funny. What's your name?
Twig.
Your name's actually Twig?
Yes.
Is your father Steve?
I'm pretty sure he is. I didn't see him much.
Oh. Well then. Sorry to, put you here and play. Twig!
Yes.
No, he's talking about me. Hey, Technuva. Okay, so we have a problem. We've received an angry email from a terrorist organization. And apparently they have hostages, and they're planning on killing them if Easterland doesn't hand over Steve and $30 billion. So we need to sneak someone in there and free the hostages. Well, I have tons of experience. I can probably do it. Sorry, Twig, but we're pretty sure the person who's in there is working under Steve. Twig, I think that's exactly what they want. We should send in someone else. Well, what about other Twig? His name is Twig, and how much training have you had?
Absolutely none.
How many video games have you played?
Like 4, and each of them were Call of Duty. And Assassin's Creed.
I think that's enough experience. Alright, I have so many more lines than you. You'll be sent in instead of Twig. Son of Steve. Infiltrate the enemy base. Eliminate the terrorist threat. And safeguard the hostages.
Yay! And that's how I got here.
How goes it, Twig?
Good.
Yeah, so how are the lights?
Good. Are you okay?
Is all of your equipment okay?
It's good.
Alright. Continue your mission.
Yes, sir, boss, sir. Are those the terrorists?
Yes.
What are their names?
We have no idea yet. All we know is that the leader claims to be Steve. Does he look like him?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
I'm most evil. I'm most evil bad guy ever.
Alright, bad guy, I'm gonna beat you because I'm awesome.
Rest in peace.
What was that?
I think it was a toad. He was supposed to be evil, but he was the worst enemy I've ever fought in my entire life.
Oh, well, good job. Does he have any weapons on him?
No.
Okay.
This villain just came at me like barehanded, said he was gonna beat me. Not the greatest idea.
Well, continue on with your mission. You should be able to find the hostages north from here.
Okay. Bye, have a good day.
Bye. I hate my life. I'm gonna go look this way. Okay.
Wow, a gun! This is like cool. Just like Call of Hey, I have a gun. This is just like Call of Duty.
Actually, no. Call of Duty is about like shooting people mindlessly. This is a stealth mission.
Oh, like Assassin's Creed.
Sure thing, kid. Sure.
I love Assassin's Creed. Hello?
Hello! You have to get a disguise in order to, get into the hostages. You need a disguise. You have to go find a guard. You gotta take his skin. Goodbye.
What?
Remember, kid, your mission. You gotta go save the hostages. Do what he says. Oh my gosh. Goomba, shut up! It's in the camera.
Bang. Alright, well, I guess I gotta skin you alive. Boss, I'm really not comfortable with this.
Just do it. It's part of your mission.
Okay. How am I supposed to skin him alive?
You'll need a sword. I know where you can find one.
No time!
Hello, Twig. I'm like you. I have no name.
Who are you?
I just said I have no name. You and I must battle. 1-on-1 to the death. 1v1 me IRL right now.
Okay.
You have the warrior spirit. But you do not smell like the twig I am looking for. Here, take my sword.
I got it.
Goodbye.
Skin it.
Alright, well, here goes nothing. Oops. Hello there.
Yeah, you look like a guard. Wait, your gun's wrong.
General, that didn't work.
What went wrong?
They saw that I was using the wrong gun, so they
Then get
beat
the
me
right
up.
gun. Shouldn't it be like from where the dead guy was?
Thanks.
Yeah.
Well, let me try that again. I'm sure they'll let me in this time, even though they just beat me up for being an imposter. Sure, that makes sense.
All right, let's try that again.
Hi, I'm back, and I got the real gun. I'm the real person now.
Oh yeah, but we gotta do one chest first. The disguise completely fell off.
This is like I'm with the hostages. I actually didn't mean to say.
There's probably too many for you to deal with them all at once, so you should probably deal with the most important one, Squeegee.
Who's Squeegee?
Oh, you don't know him. It's all right. He's green. He wears a green hat. Look for someone that's green.
Are you Squeegee? Are you Squeegee?
That's a woman.
Oh.
Stop touching her that way.
Oh my.
Okay. Try someone else.
Are you Squeegee?
I can't do Toad voice. Squeegee's right there!
Sorry, I'm colorblind. Hi, Squeegee. I'm here to rescue you.
Oh, rescue us? Oh, we don't need rescuing. These guys don't even have guns. I love how Squeegee's voice is like completely different. Oh.
Squeegee power.
Where are your orders coming from?
My boss,
Who is your boss?
Takamuga. Terrorists are planning on killing all of you hostages. We need to rescue you.
What? They don't plan on killing any hostages.
They also want $10 billion in cash.
10 billion? Why would they ever need that money? No. You have no idea what's actually going on, do you?
No.
No. Okay. Well, this base. This isn't just some Royal Cupcake Factory. This is actually the secret location of a new Metal Gear model.
What's Metal Gear?
Bipedal nuclear-capable tanks that were used in an old war. It's something unseen of in the world of Chug Conroy. But here, oh, it's just another day on the job. They plan on launching a nuke and hitting Easterland. And from there, they plan on rebuilding their own country. And they're gonna name it Troopa Village.
Like Trooper Village, from where I come from?
The true intentions are unknown. But something else very important I need a heart attack.
Squeegee, no!
What?
Squeegee died! Oh no, guards.
Guards. What were you doing talking? Why'd you kill him? I can explain this one, friends. Oh. So what happened to Toad? He resisted everything. He was stupid. Why did you even hire him? After this, I'll take care of him. I don't know what he meant by that. Brother, wake up. Brother, it's so good to finally see you. Well, I can't stay in chat. I gotta go do something British. I'm gonna have some fun with you. If you noticed, you're naked. And also, I put you down to this torture chamber. But, no. Secretly, I'm actually a double agent. None of them know about that. I'm about to free you. When I do free you, well... You have to destroy Metal Gear. They're planning on destroying all of Easterland. That's Twig's home, the real Twig, and they're probably going to destroy Trooper Village as well. They plan on making his own Trooper Village, because our leader's crazy. Look, your mission, if you choose to accept it, there should be some kind of way of stopping Metal Gear before it's actually launched. If you could figure that out, then do that. Because if it's launched, it'll take lots of stuff to blow it up. Yeah. See ya. Remember, I'm on your side. You're pretty good.
What? Where am I? Whoa, I was knocked out all the time.
Twig. Yeah, remember your mission. So, the hostages, they kind of suck. We're changing your mission plan. The terrorists only worry about the terrorist threat, and apparently they have Metal Gear on their side, so take out Metal Gear.
Alright. Wait, is Metal Gear from Minecraft?
Cutting transmission. Get moving.
Have a time.
Then look that way.
This water, it is not ordinary water. You walk into it, you drown. Now, this time we fight. The reaction you want.
Alright, let's fight!
I'm Romanian and a wizard with knives, but I won't use them because I prefer dance fighting. We are going to dance fight like we've ever dance fighted ever before. I messed that up.
I don't know how to dance fight.
Then this shall be fun. Face me. Your turn. You suck so hard. Oh, you pitiful thing. Now I'm gonna squash you like the little Pikmin you are.
I'm back to life, guys!
Oh, goodness. I can't take it.
These are the best villains of all time, right here? Yes.
Just leave.
Oh. Look, now I don't have any guns.
Hello, Twig. It's nice to see you again. Yeah, so, I'm here because, Takanuva told me that you needed some help. And I brought a virus along. It should be able to shut down Metal Gear before it's even launched. Stop touching red noses.
Why not? That's why.
I have a virus that should be able to shut down Metal Gear. We should get moving. I know where it is. Metal Gear. Wow. Okay, here's the virus. Go input it into that command console.
Alright. Did that do it? No! Brother!
Haha! You just successfully activated Metal Gear for us.
No! Twig, I thought this was supposed to deactivate it.
I'm not actually Twig. Because actually, I'm...
It's Billy time.
Twig, did you like my sunglasses?
No, I didn't!
Oh,
Why do you keep calling me brother?
because, Twig, we are brothers. I'm Noah, and you're Twig. We are both the same, sons of Steve. Byproducts of Google's intention to create clones of Steve. The stupidest internet meme ever.
Wait, so the Google, like, did things with Steve to make us?
Perhaps, I don't know. But it doesn't matter now. Because finally, I can create my own Troopa Village. Troopa Village! With this Metal Gear I have, it'll be perfectly capable. It's gotta unplug the charge cord. I was the unloved child. I was forced to become British, which I really wasn't, which really Steve isn't, and I grew up in a dump, and I got all the recessive genes. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat a crumpet.
He's gonna activate Metal Gear.
You were always the more loved child. Now I'm gonna become the loved child. The back is falling off.
Just watch. Watch all your burns.
No, I have to stop it.
I'm pulling free.
No! You're gonna stop my master. Let's go to Funky Town. How do you like that? Things are about to get real. Attack my weak point. Attack it. Massive damage. You can stop me.
You like to swipe things?
It's perfect position.
Boss battle.
Attack my weak point. Attack it.
Weak point. That's it. I gotta attack it for massive damage.
Yeah. Attack my weak point. Attack it. You're the first one that's ever actually attacked my weak point. If you can find out where it is. No. That was my weak point.
I have to stop Metal Gear.
Snake.
I knew it would come to this. What is that thing? It's a Metal Gear. Oh.
Isn't that what killed my father? Yes. Oh, dang. Whoa. Oh, it's the other Twig. Brother! Now with Metal Gear, I shall take Easterland and make it my own trooper village. Now nothing can save you and your worthless people. How do we stop Metal Gear? You can't. They're unstoppable. Unless you had some kind of like virus or something, but that has to happen like before it even gets turned on, so we're pretty much screwed. No. There's still one last hope. Kirby Bulborb! Kirby Bulborb! Kirby Bulborb!
Hello everyone, I'm Kirby Bulborb.
Oh.
I will try my hardest at defeating this governor. Okay, Crumpets, I died.
You dead forever?
No. Impossible! Kirby can't die!
Kirby's immortal!
No, wait. He's moving.
Actually, he has some kind of force field, and I'm paralyzed.
Okay, so there's only one last option. We have to form another Kaida.
What's a Kaida?
Well, we don't have time for that, Tucknuva. Anyone who watched the last one already knows what Kaida is. Kaida! We don't have enough, though. We need at least 2 more people.
Are we friends?
But remember all the good times you had. Just think, who else would have...
This works. Kaida!
Go.
I am Pikminjake, and I'm here to destroy you. I thought it was gonna be like Cook Conrad, but it isn't. Oh man, Frank! No! What happened? My Metal Gear doesn't work! Well, that was pretty easy. Ow!
Rip.
Wake up, brother! It's time. We must have a naked fist fight on top of this giant robot dinosaur. If you cross this line, you'll fall and die Britishly. Alright, let's go. Oh my gosh!
I did it! Did it! I did it, you guys! I killed him!
Well done. You effectively eliminated the terrorist threat.
We needed to test that Twig. Actually, I should let this guy know. Son of Steve, I blew up your Kaida because we needed to test you to see if you or your brother is the stronger son. The stronger one is supposed to be the next leader of Trooper Village. Ever since Steve left, Mayor Bulborb has been the leader, but really, it's supposed to be Steve and his sons. The president of Google got Steve pregnant in order to make more Steves, but he failed because one of them is a good guy and the other is dead. Now, you can rule Trooper Village.
Did it. Brother! It's not over yet, brother! You ruined everything, brother!
Rest in peace.
He looked like he died from a heart attack. Yeah, what the heck killed him? Charades are quite humorous. I was the one that killed him, not you guys.
You killed him?
Of course. We all know there can only be one Steve. However, we aren't finished yet. You have yet to fully play out your allotted parts. What do you mean? Like I said before, charades are quite humorous. But you see, this whole thing was planned. It was planned right from the start. The help of Kirby. But I never told him my true intentions. Yes, the president wants to make more Steves, but that has nothing to do with getting Steve pregnant. For you see, this entire episode was staged. A perfect orchestration set up by a little organization called the Sons of Liberty. An organization that wishes to make the internet free from Google's oppression. We have had a grudge against Google for a while now, but now you've led us right to him. For you see, this video we set up has a copyright claim attached to it. Do you not see the advertisement at the bottom? Jake went a little bit too far with his music choices. This video was set up by us to have a perfect connection to Google. Sure, we could have made a video ourselves and put a copyright claim attached to it, but Twig himself is hated by Google. We needed an actual connection. You're our actual connection.
What? This whole video was staged?
Yes, a perfect recreation of Metal Gear Solid. We used Metal Gear as a backdrop for this exercise. Its extreme circumstances were enough to draw you in. The hostages, the virus, the ninja. It wasn't a coincidence. It was staged. Noah's terrorist group filled in for the main bosses of the game. We set up Noah's team ourselves. They're the most impressive batch of freaks you can find out of the world of Chugga-Conroy.
But the president isn't here. Your plan's for nothing.
But you see, Steve's son is dead. Soon Steve will draw the president back here for revenge. The best part is, we set it up so you killed him.
No, you didn't. You said it yourself. You killed him.
The press and the rest of the employees at Google never actually watched YouTube videos, especially ones this stupid. And Steve himself is too stupid to watch any further than the part where his son died. It'll make no difference. Google will eventually come back here, and Steve, he'll be with them. When that happens, we'll follow them back home. My organization, of course. And the best part is, the bounty on your guys' heads will be so high, you won't be able to step 2 feet into the world of Chugga-Conroy.
We'll kill you.
But you can't. The Code of Cinder protects me in this world. We looked into it 20 years ago, right after you fought the president. Once we figured it out, we set the stage. The Metal Gear you see before you isn't destroyed. No, it's far from it. We set it up to stop functioning when the time was right. Now all I have to do is retrieve Metal Gear and clean up the refuse of this exercise.
No, you can't. British. Pikmin can trick. Oh, how? I thought I was immoral.
You never had any real power, Kirby. It was all just the Code of Cinder. Once you know the program, it's like putty in your hands. We shut you down. And now anything can hurt you.
That's impossible.
Your immortality was just a glitch in the system. It made you way more powerful than you ever were supposed to be. We fixed it. And now you're as weak as any other Bulborb.
I'm Kirby Bulborb, the greatest Bulborb.
Kirby! No! No. No! Oh.
There's also Jamie. Did I solve the problem, or...
So long, son of Steve. You've served the Sons of Liberty well.
No, none of this. How can this all be happening?
I made Kirby think he was doing the right thing. You're not next in line for the leader of Trooper Village. No one is. Mayor R. Bulborb works for us. He'll continue to be leader until he dies. I leave you the gift. It's all the nuclear payload this thing has. Missiles!
Nuclear payload? Oh, no!
Goodbye. Teleport now.
No!
It is my sworn duty to protect all Pikmin, for I
Kirby, what?
Kirby
Getting back up.
Bulborb. I will use my Kirby powers. This is my destiny.
No, Kirby, if you eat them, you'll die.
Goodbye, chaps.
Kirby! He saved us all, but he couldn't save himself. He was a brave Bulborb.
We have to prepare. Soon Google will find out.
We will continue to fight. That's what Kirby would have wanted. I'm so done with this. We were all used. Now Kirby is dead. Steve is still alive. Wait, he's in prison. Plot hole. It always comes back to me. If I had never traveled back in time in the first place, this never would have happened.
I'll stay until the end and fight till the end.
Perfect.
But I guess everything's safe for now.
Oh, I'm not supposed to do something.
Who are you?
I'm Toad.
Long time no see.
Oh.